Hi, thanks for taking interest in my work. I'm David Klinger and I'm about to go over some of the projects that I've worked on in the past. First, we have a website designed for an artisan furniture builder. As you can see, I put a lot of work into the front end aesthetics. I designed these custom elements here to showcase the image and descriptions, keeping the focus on the images. I also worked with the client to create a very unique 3D looking nav menu at the top. The contact form here uses Google's reCAPTCHA plugin and other validations also. You'll notice it's extremely responsive. The nav menu turns into a nav icon, revealing an unusual two-level, totally custom drop-down menu. On this next project, I used Google Maps API to make a visualization of chemical spills that affect the Hudson River. The site grabs the data from an open JSON feed and adds markers to the map. Clicking or hovering on the markers displays the spills info on the details element, and flipping through the years updates the data depending on the year. If I click on the picture in the year overview section, you can see that the map zoomed in on that specific area. Now, I originally made this using jQuery to manipulate the DOM, and I later refactored it into React.js. And though I don't demo it in this video, I will say that it is very responsive. Next, we have my Wacky Art and Music webpage designed to showcase my art and music, featuring a really bizarre eye-catching circular nav menu. The upcoming events section here pulls events with a request to my Google Calendars API. Each tab populates the content section using AJAX requests, and there's actually a ton of things I'm really proud of on this site. So if you want to know how I did something like animate my head rotating or get the colors to change, just ask. And you can see it's also very responsive. Here is a schedule web app I made for a local music festival using AngularJS. You'll notice there were a ton of bands playing. If you go to the archive site, these play buttons really do work and they play samples of each band's music. What makes this schedule app special is its ability to not only filter by band, venue, or genre tags, but it also lets you sort the lineup by either time or venue. Of course, AngularJS makes it extremely easy to get this sort of functionality with its filters and directives. For this project, I made an interactive animated version of the band Deleted Scenes album artwork. Before they sadly broke up, it was used as their landing page. You'll notice that as you get closer to a corner with your cursor or finger, the strips of paper start to resemble just one of the band members. And when you're in the middle, they're jumbled up like the album artwork. I first designed this in Flash, and then I refactored the code into JavaScript. Last but not least, we have frauevamusic.com. It's a band site for my old band, Frau Eva. You can see it has a bunch of weird psychedelic animations that make exploring the content a little more fun, the most notable of which are the falling leaves. In all, there are 44 leaves defined in an external XML file containing various content that can be revealed if you're able to click on the leaf as it falls. Also, we got the sun and moon at the top that let you control certain color filters that affect the entire site. One thing that got cut off on the video is an MP3 player that plays our music at the bottom. And I should also point out that it's not mobile friendly because it uses Flash.